I'm Tim Rayne, the bow tie lawyer, and today we're going to teach you how to tie a bow tie. So step number one is make the bow tie the appropriate length, and on the back you'll see the length is based upon neck size, and that's roughly your guide. Flip up the collar, put the bow tie over your neck. Start with the right side about this much higher than the low side. Then this drapes over, center it, and then take it up the middle and pull it tight. Now here's the tricky part. This part you put in front like this, and this part you drape down the middle. Then you grab the two ends and hold them tight and put your thumb about midway here. Then you have to go back here and look for the hole in between the two so you can put it through. Then leave it alone. And now it's just a matter of pulling and straightening and tightening to try to get it to look good. So you pull, straighten, pull, straighten, pull, straighten, pull. And there you go. A well-tied bow tie. Good luck.